Do you like what I made? Look, I do it with creative, but do you like what I did? See? This, but, and this is the train, but it's good with these. I know it's lag.
Ay, nakiulit na.
Okay, then, I don't know. A little border because the bed is illuminating. You like it? Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. Comment if I keep playing this game.
Kasi yung 1,000, 101,000 mo, pinapadala ko sa Bicol. Bayad ng asin ng bills. Tapos yung walang nakita. 1,000 ang binibigay
I got that.
Kaya siya dinadagdag ko. Pero pag may pera ako, dadagdag ako. Pero hindi ako nagbigay ng pagkano na. Kasi pag natandaan niya yung siya, sisingin ako na. Kaya kung magawa, isang buwan, kaya ko ng 2,500. Hindi ako nagbigay ng exact dahil baka yung bilangin niya, maalala niya yan, nalala ko dati.
Hey, this is
Bibili na naman niya yung sa mata mo.
That's not
Yung sa
my
mata mo,
and this is my second.
kaya yung ano mo sana, sikulat gastos. Kasi di ba kung bibili ka dito? Pinipili lang yung panalala.
Police station. This is the police station.
Sabi ko,
There's one building.
kasi ang bill namin, generation 5 tubig. May Wi-Fi 1,000.
Like that. That's the Maui and the that's it. So, cat, and the rabbits.
Yung 4,000 nagiging 6,000.
This is the cafe. See the cake, like it. Okay, this is the mall. And I think really the market and the other one's there. And this is the restaurant. And this is the dessert store and the bath. This is just the clothing store. item store, and the power store. It's the same, 13 attack damage on top. Okay, I'm gonna fix it. If you like to turn off all of the buildings, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.